First, let's ensure your Tesla has a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular signal strength on the touchscreen. Try resetting your Tesla's modem through the service mode. Press and hold brake and accelerator pedals while in park, then navigate to Diagnostics. Avoid using VPNs as they can interfere with Spotify logins. If buffering persists, test other apps like YouTube to pinpoint if it's a network-wide issue or just Spotify. Spotify Premium is generally required for seamless streaming in Tesla vehicles. Without it, you may experience limited playback or connectivity issues. If you're experiencing login issues, start by logging out and back in via the Tesla touchscreen. Navigate to Apps, select Spotify, and perform the logout and login process. Double-check your premium status on the Spotify website or app. Make sure your subscription is active and hasn't expired. Ensure the linked Spotify account matches the one associated with your Tesla account. Mismatched accounts can prevent authentication. Too many devices using the same Spotify account simultaneously can cause authentication issues. Limit the number of active devices to resolve this. If network connectivity and account authentication checks don't resolve the Spotify issue in your Tesla Model S, the next step is to reinstall or refresh the Spotify integration. Since Spotify is built into the Tesla system and not a separately downloadable app, this process refreshes the connection without fully removing it. First, access your Tesla touchscreen and navigate to the Apps section, then select Spotify. In the Spotify menu, look for options like Uninstall, Reinstall, or the newer App Reset feature available in Tesla's 2025 firmware. This reinstallation process is particularly effective after Tesla software updates, as the operating system may have overwritten some app data. Finally, after completing the reinstallation, restart your vehicle to ensure all changes take effect and the Spotify integration is fully refreshed. This process clears cached data and resets permissions, often resolving persistent connectivity issues with Spotify in your Tesla Model S. Tesla releases software updates quarterly, which often include patches for third-party app stability, including Spotify. These updates help maintain compatibility and fix potential issues. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Spotify. To check for updates, first navigate to the touchscreen. Go to Controls, then Software Update to see if updates are available. You can also check for updates using the Tesla app on your phone. Open the app, select your vehicle, and look in the software section for available updates. Once you find available updates, install them promptly. This ensures your Tesla's software is up to date and Spotify functions properly. Keeping your Tesla software updated is crucial for maintaining Spotify compatibility and overall vehicle performance. Let's look at some real-world examples to understand how Tesla owners have successfully resolved Spotify connectivity issues. During the V2025.20 update in April 2025, thousands of Model S owners experienced Spotify freezing mid-playback. Tesla quickly released a hotfix, and users found success by switching to cellular data and reinstalling the Spotify app. In another example, a regional outage in Europe during October 2025 affected Spotify connectivity for Model S users in Germany and France, caused by data throttling from local carriers. Tesla's support team suggested using a personal hotspot with a US-based VPN as a workaround, which successfully resolved the issue for over 200 affected users. In a user success story from 2024, a new Model S Plaid owner faced Spotify login loops after purchase. By following Tesla's official troubleshooting guide, starting with a network check and then performing an account reset, the problem was resolved permanently. These real-world examples highlight the effectiveness of methodical troubleshooting approaches for Spotify connectivity problems in Tesla Model S vehicles. Looking ahead, experts from sites like Ars Technica and The Verge note that Tesla's integration of third-party apps like Spotify is improving, but still lags behind native apps due to Tesla's closed operating system. Expect over-the-air updates to become more frequent, with Tesla releasing patches quarterly. In 2025, there's been a 25% increase in user-reported Spotify issues due to rising cybersecurity features, but OTA fixes are addressing this. Tesla plans to integrate AI-powered recommendations directly into the infotainment system by 2027, potentially reducing manual troubleshooting. This could include personalized playlist suggestions and automatic error detection. As 5G adoption grows, network stability should improve, leading to fewer connectivity issues. With EV sales booming, infotainment reliability is becoming a key differentiator, and experts predict fewer issues as 5G networks expand. To recap, if Spotify isn't working in your Tesla Model S, first check your network connection. Then, verify your Spotify account status and re-log in. If problems persist, reinstall Spotify through the Tesla interface. Keep your Tesla software updated. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Spotify issues and enjoy uninterrupted music streaming in your Tesla.